Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, E-Kandan, presented by Dr. P.F. Khalilur Rahman. Title 8086 Maximum and Minimum Modes. Minimum mode is selected. Pin number 24 to 31 are used as memory and I/O control signals. The control signals are generated internally by the 8086. It is a more cost efficient one. The maximum mode is selected by connecting the pin number 33 to the ground, means that logic 0. Some control signals are generated externally by the 8288 bus controller chip. Maximum mode is used when max processor like 8087 core processor is used. So this diagram shows the minimum mode system configuration of 8086. The number of address lines of 8086 microprocessor is 20. So that we need 3 latch ICs. One latch IC is used to generate 8 address lines. Sometimes a 16-bit address line is enough means, so number of latch ICs required is only 2. Similarly, the transceiver ICs is used to generate data lines. Since the 8086 microprocessor have 16 data lines, so 2 transceivers ICs are required. The 8284 clock generator IC is connected to 8086 microprocessor for 3 purposes. First purpose, used to generate clock signals. Second purpose, used to generate ready signal and insert wait state. Third purpose is used to reset the 8086 microprocessor. Using this minimum mode configuration, the memory I/O, that is read memory, write memory, read I/O device, write I/O device, and interrupt acknowledgement, all these control signals are generated internally. The 8284, the clock generator IC, provide the proper clock signal, uses crystal oscillator, provides the correct waveform for other signals to the CPU. So this diagram shows the minimum mode read cycle. The address latch enable ALE is 1 when the multiplexer address data bus contains address. If it goes to low means this multiplexer address data bus contains data. ALE is startingly, that is initially at one level for one clock T state. Then read bar is low, indicate that a proper valid data is placed in the multiplexer address data bus. Similarly, the data enabled is low, indicate that the proper data is available in the data bus. The TTR bar, that is data transmitter ready signal or receiver signal, indicate that it is 0, indicate that data is in the receiver mode of operation. This timing diagram shows the minimum mode write cycle. Here the main difference between the minimum mode read and write cycle are, here in place of read, write signals are generated. Write bar signal indicate that it is low when a writing data operation takes place. Maximum mode of operation. Maximum mode is designed to be used with the coprocessor exist in the system. All the control signals except read are not generated by the microprocessor, but we still need those control signals. So we need an extra IC, that is 8288 bus controller IC. Using this, various machine cycle timing T states are generated. So this tabulation shows the maximum mode machine cycle generation tabulation using the status lines S0, S1 and S2. Using this S0, S1 and S2, the various machine cycles like interrupt acknowledgement, read I/O port, write I/O port, the code access, read memory, write memory control lines are machine cycles are generated. So this diagram shows the maximum mode configuration of 8086. When compared with the 8086 minimum mode configuration, the only one main difference here is a bus controller IC 8288. Using this, various machine cycles like memory read, memory write, advanced memory write, IO read, IO write, advanced IO write and interrupt acknowledgement signals are generated. The remaining part is same like this, the minimum mode configuration. So this timing diagram shows the maximum mode read cycle. This indicates that the same ALE when it is 1 means a valid valid address is available in the multiplexer address data bus. If it is 0 means a valid data is available in the multiplexer address data bus. By using this maximum configuration, the memory read cycle and memory write cycles are generated in case of write operation. The data TTR bar signal is low and also the data enabled signal is high in this case. This diagram shows the maximum mode write cycle. Here the same thing like when compared with the maximum mode read cycle, but the write cycle like advanced memory write cycle and advanced IO write cycles are generated. These are all active low signal. And also the ordinary memory write cycle and the ordinary IO write cycle are also generated. The TTR bar line is always high level. Data enable here it is a high state, so it is low in case here. That's all. Thank you.